Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks. Today we will talk about Vertex Pharmaceuticals traded at Nasdaq, ticker name VRTX. Vertex has made today very big, huge downwards movement, and of course, as for many pharmaceutical companies, this is not just a technical situation. This is a news-based behavior, and the reason for that is that the company announced that it planned to stop testing on drug designed to treat protein deficiencies, and therefore this caused a huge price decline. It was plunged after hours, and we can see today actually in the trading session it went as well further down. And for big company with almost 57 billions market capacity, this is actually a very serious move. And now the question is, okay, where is it going to go further? Can we see any recovery or whatsoever? First of all, we need to see the technicality of situation, because for let's say for the news, the market already played very down. So it cost company huge amount of market capitalization. Therefore, we can see that, okay, this is the expectation of what's going to happen. Now the technicality, where can we enter to make some rebounds play and buy at lowers? If this candle would be, we need to see the candle. So if we look at the candle of today, it's actually it's a deep candle with a gap, of course. Also here you can see, but the candle itself, it's of course a red candle with a big upward shadow and also a reasonable downward shadow. This is usually not looking like a final play on the downtrend candle. It usually means that there might be a further move down, further movement. So another red candle we can observe for tomorrow, especially given that tomorrow is the last trading day of the current trading week. We might observe a further action. Of course, still volatility could be there, so it might be movement like that, meaning that somewhere below we can buy. And then if you look of this, where we could buy, actually, where it could be that level, we need to look at this chart, but a bit bigger scale. So let's do this, and if we look here, well, we can clearly see these are the levels of the COVID depths of the stock, and that would be a very strong psychological defense level. So it is actually the price target about 200. Now we can come back here and see that, okay, the price will go all the way until 200, and that's where it might go further by actually action. That's where we can start loading very heavily. But also, if you would like to understand the action movement, you can clearly see that these were the price levels that worked today. So the first level worked as S1, support level 1, and indeed here we saw the stop of the candle and volatility further down trying to go to S2 and actually S3. And tomorrow the all play will be between S2 and S3 most probably. So whenever we go at S2 or below, so 200 below, it would be the first nice buying opportunity. If in any case we go even further, which is not given but still might be possible, this could be a second buy opportunity for the stock. And then we just need to wait for technical rebounds, because the rebounds might be all the way until actually 220, because if you look also the previous price actions here, this is a very, very strong kind of resist level would be, and it's all 250 plus actually. So these levels would be the maximum possible rebounds play if there is no any other news. So let's call it R1 level. Having said that, we can expect some further decline, and then we see the volatility game. So for short term, it's bearish for this week, and beginning of next week might be. Then somewhere from middle of next week, we might see some signs of reversal. Purely technical, just playing back the overselling, the over panicking selling, and then actually the market will decide where to go. This would be more on technicality. Most probably we will stuck somewhere between R1 and actually S3. It would be volatility play until further plans and further impacts would be understood on the market's those company's decision to stop in that pharmaceutical area. That's for VRTX. Also, if we come back and look for MACD behavior here, just to complete our technical analysis, well, it's not completely clear because it was doing two positive upwards waves. So technically, it was momentarily bearish. Also, if you look overall to the chart, if we would not consider this news, for example, for yesterday's situation, the chart was also momentarily bearish, or let's say more corrective, because the price wanted to come back to the trend of moving average 200, this red line. So this was the kind of a trend behavior and correction expected. Also, if we would look to previous correction levels here, but now it all doesn't matter. It's just to show you that overall the price action was expected to go technically further to these levels, so this correction 1 level, but together with news, so technical bearish momentum with negative news actually caused the price to plunder all the way down, and still tomorrow some further little bit depth could be observed, as explained here on the bigger scale price chart, and then we might see some reversals. So the play between first and second circle is advised here. With that, good luck with VRTX. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. This way you will not miss our new videos and new discussions, new interesting opportunities for another US-based stocks.